Each night on News 5 at 10 o'clock, we are answering your questions about coronavirus. If you have a question, call our coronavirus hotline at 251-662-3055. Leave us a message. Now, tonight's question is from Christy in Gulf Shores, and she says, I watched News 5 earlier tonight and heard about the spring breakers from Wisconsin who traveled to Gulf Shores and then tested positive for coronavirus. Do our city officials think that they should have closed our beaches sooner? Cherish Lombard is working remotely from her house, and she joins us tonight with more. Cherish, what are those officials saying?
Well, they say they're doing everything they can to help stop the spread. Earlier tonight, University of Wisconsin-Madison officials confirmed to News 5 multiple spring breakers from the school who spent time in Gulf Shores did test positive for COVID-19 when they returned home. The students started their spring break in Nashville, Tennessee on March 13th, then moved their trip to Gulf Shores on March 16th. As far as the question, should beaches have been closed sooner? Gulf Shores Director of Recreation and Cultural Affairs Grant Brown says, quote, it's easy to play Monday morning quarterback, but city leaders have been doing everything the governor and state health officials have instructed them to do. He says they closed public beaches as soon as they were told to. Closed health and recreation centers where people use that shared equipment. And they're also encouraging residents to conduct business online. Just this past weekend, they closed public playgrounds. He says some preventative measures started even before beaches closed.
We took advantage of the opportunity to get additional sanitizing stations in our municipal facilities and in our public restroom facilities, and started doing extra sanitation and doing all those things really early on, and have followed the Department of Public Health's actions to the T. And I feel like we're doing everything that we can right now.
Brown says city service employees are practicing social distancing and encourages everyone to do the same.
We don't know exactly where the spring breakers contracted the virus, whether it was here in Gulf Shores or if they were infected when they came here or when they were coming to or from our area. But all we can all do individually is just practice the social distancing, try to slow this down and be safe, wash your hands, and do all the things that all the experts are telling us to do on a regular basis.
Brown says he hopes everyone starts taking this seriously, and when that happens, we will all be able to enjoy our beaches again. Now, again, we know you have questions about this pandemic, and we want to get you answers. Call our coronavirus hotline at 251-662-3055. Leave us a message, and we will try to answer your question right here on News 5 at 10. Cherish Lombard, WKRG News 5.